Hello everyone, welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at Codemode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning about binary numbers, and in today's class we will learn about logic gates. In the previous class we learned about a third pattern in the binary number when we convert a decimal to binary. Now before I start, I request you to like this video and follow our channel by subscribing if you are watching this on YouTube. You simply need to click subscribe button. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create more videos and courses. Let's begin. A logic gate is a series of transistors where each transistor is having state 0 or 1. We have already learned in the previous classes. So each logic gate is a series of transistors. They are connected together to give one or more output, in which each output is based on the input or a combination of inputs. So think of it as like two bulbs. They are connected by an instrument, and if the bulb is, let me write it here. Let's say this is one bulb and this is another bulb. This bulb is be on, and another bulb is also on. If these two are on, these two are connected by a transistor, connected by a logic gate like this, what will be the output? If these two are 1 and this logic gate is, and logic gate also have different types, I'll show you in the next class, explain you in the next class. But if these two logic gates are 1, if these two bulbs are on, then and they are connected by a logic gate, then output will be 1. Now there is another logic gate that gives, let's say, output 1. These two can be connected by using another logic gate, and then it will give you another output 1 or 0, and so on. That's how data is processed using different logic gates. The decisions are made. When you do programming, you will learn more about it, and these decisions are made based on truth table. So logic gates are digital components, and you can see on the right side diagram also, and they work on the digital signals. And remember, when you run a computer, it's all about digital signals. Zeros and 1, what we refer as the transistors on and off. And when you connect these two transistors using a logic gate, then you interpret or get a different value. Now a low signal, we call it 0, high signal, call it 1. And the relationship between this decision, like should it be 0 and 1, is that 1 or is that a 0? It depends on the type of logic gate we use. And we'll learn more about it in the next class. But for now, remember that visualization, we can use a truth table, and I'll show you again in the next class. But logic gates, again, in the summary, logic gates are digital components, is a series of transistors which takes input either 0 or 1 and give you output. Again, it could be 0 and 1, depends on type of logic gate you use. That's all in today's class. If you have any question on any part of this concept, you can post it in the community on our platform, and either I or somebody else would be happy to answer. Please take time to solve the quiz. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Keep learning.